Hi dear children, welcome to English class. So today we are going to study grammar textbook chapter 8, use of am, is, are, was and where. Okay. So read these sentences. Hello, I am Tara. I am a new student. My father's name is Sanjeev. My mother's name is Tanuja. Both of them are teachers. We were living in Pune before coming to this city. I studied in St. Joseph School. It was very close to my house. So in this paragraph you can see some words written in red letters: am, is, are, where, was. And let's see where to use these words in a sentence. Okay, so the words am, is, are, was and where are always used with nouns. We already studied in textbook 8 the use of is, am, are, was and where. Once again I am repeating. So these words am, is, are, was and where are always used with nouns or naming words. Then these are verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are doing action words, isn't it? So am, is, are, was and where are always used with nouns, and these are verbs, and they do not tell us about any action. But these words are not telling us about the action, but they tell us about the time of action. Okay, so they do not tell us, these are verbs or action words, but they do not tell us about the action, but it will make you to understand the time of action takes place. So it also help in giving information about the noun and pronoun. So these verbs will give us information about the noun and pronoun. Then where we use these verbs. Am is always used with I. Am is always used with I. I am. We never say I is or I are. We always say I am. Example, I am healthy. I am a singer. I am a dancer. I am a sportsman. So like that only we used to say. So remember, always use am with I. Always use am with I. I am. Then when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing in the present tense. Present tense means things happening now in a present time, isn't it? So we use is. If the subject is or the noun is singular, use verb is. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Here you see she is singular. That is a yellow bus. It's singular, so we use is. So remember, am is used with I and is used with singulars like he, she, it. With these words we can use is. Okay. Then are is used when we talk about more than one people, place, person, thing or animal in the present tense. So more than one people means what? You, we, they, these, those. So with these words we can use the verb are in present tense. Okay, in present tense. Then we always used are with you, only use are. Okay, in present tense are with you we use are. Okay, so remember verb am always used with I and verb is used with one person, place, things or animal in present tense, and the verb are is used with more than one people, place, person or thing or animal in the present tense, and with the pronoun you use the verb are. Then here some words are given. You have to write the words given in the box under the columns. So the in columns, first column is am, second column is, third column is are, and the words are he, she, I, it, you, we, they, these, that, this. So you have to choose pair to with these nouns and pronouns which word is suiting. So with am we use I. Only with I we use am, I am. Is we can use she, she is, he is, it is, this is, that is. So with these pronouns we can use is. Then are we already studied with you and plurals like these, those, we. These are the words used with are. So this you have to write in your textbook. Then where to use was? The verb was is used when we talk about one person, place, thing or animal in the past. It's already done, happened. Okay. So she was a great dancer. It is in past tense. So we use was with the singular nouns. Okay. She was a great dancer. Then where? The verb where is used with more than one person, place, things or animals in the past tense. So and also we can use where with the you, we, they, etc. So you were not present yesterday, you were absent, you were running, you were crying, we were eating, or they were dancing. So in that way we can use it. Then fill in the blanks in each sentence with the correct option. So read the sentences. I dash going to watch a movie today. See the noun and pronoun. If the noun or the pronoun is singular, we can use is. If it is in present tense, use is. If it is past tense, use was. Then if the noun is plural, we can use are or were according to the tense. Then with the I, use only am. So I dash going to watch a movie today. So with the I, which verb is using am, I am. Then it dash very hot today. So see the word today, which means it is present tense. So we can use it is. Then Meena, Rohit and Sumit dash football players. See, there are 3 people. So it's a plural and also it's in a present tense, football players. So which word we have to use, which verb? Yes, they are football players. They dash not present in the party yesterday, which means it is already happened, it's in past tense. So the pronoun is they. So it's plural, so we have to, and the sentence is in past tense, so use the verb were. They were not present in the party yesterday. Then Neena dash a great dancer when she was young. So when she was young, she was a dancer. So which word we have to use? Yes, Neena was. Okay. So this also you have to write in your textbook. Find the errors in the given sentences and rewrite them correctly. Here you see the first sentence is the key are on the shelf. The key are on the shelf. See, the noun or the naming word is key. It's singular. So, but in the given sentence, the verb is used, plural verb is used. So you have to rewrite it correctly. How to correct it? The key is on the shelf. The key are on the shelf is wrong. You have to write the key is on the shelf. The next sentence you say Shivani and Sanjana is friends. Shivani and Sanjana, 2 persons. So and here the verb is singular. We never say Shivani and Sanjana is. We have to say Shivani and Sanjana are friends. Rewrite. Then the children is cleaning the room. The word children, it's a plural of child, isn't it? So if the noun is plural, we have to use the plural verb. So the children is wrong. We have to say the children are cleaning the room. The next one is I are in Delhi last week. See the sentence last week means it happened. So it is in past tense, and with I what we have to use in present tense and past tense, and remember and rewrite it. Question number D. Then question number E. These are a very beautiful dress. This is a singular form, and with the singular form we never use the plural verb. So with this we have to use singular verb. So to write the correct singular verb in this sentence and rewrite it. Okay. So these last two questions are for you to do by yourself. So this chapter is over. Exercises we will discuss during the live class. Thank you.